Voya Barefoot shoes are being promoted as ultra-comfortable, natural footwear that claims to improve posture, reduce foot pain, and provide a barefoot walking experience. But the real question is whether they actually deliver or are just overhyped. The product is typically marketed as minimalist footwear with features like a wide-toe box, thin flexible soles, and zero-drop design meant to mimic natural walking. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Barefoot shoes are a real category, designed to allow more natural foot movement, with less cushioning and support compared to traditional shoes. However, here's the key issue. There's very little verified information about Voya as a brand itself, and most of the claims around comfort, pain relief, or posture improvement are not backed by strong clinical evidence specific to this product. There are also some concerns with lesser-known barefoot brands. Many are rebranded generic shoes produced by the same manufacturers, which can lead to inconsistent quality, durability, and sizing. User experiences in this category are mixed. Some people enjoy the lightweight feel and flexibility, but others report discomfort, especially if they switch too quickly from cushioned shoes. Transition takes time, risk of injury if too fast. It's also important to understand that barefoot shoes aren't automatically more comfortable for everyone. They remove cushioning and support, so your feet need time to adapt, and they may actually feel worse initially. So, are Voya Barefoot shoes real comfort or overhyped? They may offer a natural feel and flexibility, but the benefits are highly dependent on proper use and expectations. The bottom line is that Voya Barefoot shoes are likely just another generic entry in the barefoot shoe category. Functional for some, but overhyped in terms of comfort claims, especially without strong brand credibility. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.